Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. Today's recipe is native jollof rice, or permit me to say concoction rice or palm oil jollof rice. The rice tastes so good and I can't wait to show you how I made it. Here are the ingredients to make native jollof rice. You will need rice, about 3 cups of rice, some fresh tomatoes, red chili pepper, fresh pepper and onions, palm oil, smoked fish, Kpomo or cowskin, dried prawns, seasoning cubes, salt, and ugu leaf. To begin, wash and parboil the rice, then set aside. Then blend the tomatoes, red chili pepper, fresh pepper, and onions roughly, not smooth. Then remove the head of the prawns. Wash, then set aside. Also, wash and clean the fish, the Kpomo, then slice the ugu leaf, then set aside. Now, in a heated pot, pour in the palm oil, about 2 to 3 soup spoons of palm oil. Once heated, add some sliced onions and fry for 1 minute, just until the onions release its natural sweet flavor. Then pour in the tomato, onions and pepper mix blend. Stir, then leave to fry until the water dries out almost completely from the tomatoes. Native jollof rice or palm oil rice, concoction rice, it's very easy to make. It's quick and easy to prepare and it's budget friendly. It's one kind of rice I like to cook on a budget. Okay, so it's easy to make, you can make it at will. Now I'm going to add seasoning cubes, some salt to taste. Now I'm going to add the dried prawns, the Kpomo, the fish, and water or stock. What I mean by stock, I mean chicken stock, fish stock, or beef stock. I don't have any at home, so I'm adding just water. A point to note, the Kpomo is already soft, so I did not boil it again. But if the Kpomo is hard, kindly boil it before you introduce it to the food, okay? After about 2 minutes, the aroma in my kitchen is incredible. It is amazing. It's so inviting. Okay, so I'm going to add the washed parboiled rice and then I'm going to stir lightly. Okay, so I'm going to add more water to the rice. See, it seemed as though the water I added previously will not be enough to cook the rice, so I'm going to add more water, just enough to cook the rice. So I'm going to make sure that the water is at the same level as the rice. I do not want to overcook the rice. Okay, so I just added more water into the rice. I'm going to stir lightly and leave the rice to cook for about 30 minutes until the water dries out completely. Now after about 30 minutes, our rice has dried out completely and it's almost done. Okay, so I'm going to stir lightly and add the sliced ugu vegetable. Now I'm going to stir the rice lightly to incorporate the ugu leaf into the rice, and our native jollof rice is ready. Okay, so I served this native jollof rice with some fried plantain, also known as dodo, to make the rice even more interesting. Please share with me in the comment section down below if you have ever tried native jollof rice or palm oil rice and what you think about this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to click the like button, leave comments in the comment section below, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. I don't waka.